In the online business world, being able to provide your customers with an easy-to-open, easy-to-read PDF ebook is a must. This video will show you a few different ways you can convert your text or Word documents into the PDF format. Plus, we're going to cover a free method that you can use to secure your ebook with passwords. For free online converters, you can do a Google search for free file converters and end up with millions of results. Here's just one that I've used on several occasions in the past. It's called Zamzar. We can just go here to Choose File, navigate to the location on your computer where your document's at, and in this case I'm using a Word document, and I want to convert that into a PDF. Here under Step 2, I want to convert it into PDF. Enter your email address here, then click on Convert. And within a matter of seconds, of course, depending on how big the file is, it will complete the conversion and send you an email. And like it says here, if you want to go ahead and sign up, and again, it's no cost whatsoever, just an added step, then they will have a kind of a mailbox on their site for you that you can get the information that you have converted right there. And depending upon how big your file is would depend on how long it takes for the conversion and for them to send you the email. And if you happen to have Microsoft Word already installed, then you already have the ability to save as a PDF built right in. Now, of course, depends on what version of Microsoft Word you have, but this is 2007 here. So we come on up here to Save As, just simply click on Adobe PDF, and depending on how big the file is would depend on how long it takes, but you navigate to the location where you want it to be saved at, click on Save, and it does its magic. And there is your ebook. Now the trouble with this particular process is that it's not secure whatsoever. As you can see, I can highlight any section or the entire document and then just left click on copy and take all the content out of here and add it to my own text document. Or just select whatever you want and then come on up here to edit and then click on copy. Same thing. Now let me show you how you can do this in a more secure manner using free software. As a matter of fact, if you don't have Microsoft Word, there's a program called OpenOffice that is kind of like a clone of the Microsoft Office suite. Everything that is in Microsoft Office, from Word, PowerPoint, Excel, and so on, the OpenOffice suite has the same things, or a clone thereof, and you can't beat the price. It's free. So once you come over here and download it, install it, you want to go to Writer. That's the clone to Microsoft Word. So once you have Writer open up, and let me see here if I've got that open here. So I've already got this installed here on my computer. And once you open it up, this is what pops up. You want to go to Text Document. And you can see here it's called OpenOffice Writer. But I want to go ahead and open up that Word document, because that's one of the cool things about this free OpenOffice suite is that it can also pull in and edit any Microsoft Office product. In this case, Microsoft Word. Come on over here to Open. Navigate to the location of the Word document. And here it is. That's that same Microsoft Word document. Now, with this, let me go on and delete that PDF book here that we just saved in Word. And here you've got a couple of ways you can save it as a PDF. Right up here in the toolbar, just click on this, exports directly as PDF, but you'll have the same non-secure results. Come on up here to File, Export as PDF, and here this pops open, so you've got some options to work with. You can mess around with this all you want, but what I'm going to show you here is under Security, Set Permissions Password. You don't really want to set this one unless you want to. This would require a password to actually open the document. So if that's what you want, then you've got that option right here. But I want anybody to be able to open this particular document. I just don't want them to be able to copy it. So set permissions, put in a password here. And this becomes available. And at this point, all this is pretty much fine and dandy just the way that it is. Leave that one unchecked. Make sure this is not checked, because if it is checked, then you are allowing copying of the content. And that's basically the whole purpose behind us securing this. But you also want to make sure this is checked here as well, because this allows for the visually impaired or others to be able to access their reading tools that are built into their computer to be able to read this document. Now we just click on Export. Again, navigate to where you want it to be exported to. Make sure you've got the right name in there you want. Click on Save, and it's done. Now let's go ahead and open this up. See the little padlock right there? That means it's secure. you try to copy any of this, right click, copy is not a feature now. Select anything up here, come up here to edit, copy is not a feature any longer. So that's how you can secure your PDFs. And again, if you don't have any Microsoft Office type products, by all means head on over to openoffice.org, download this, won't cost you a dime. And this will bring us to the end of this video on making PDFs.